Hey, I'm Sade, and today I'm going to show you how to install this cute, undetectable U-part wig from Luvme Hair. Okay, so today we're doing a U-part wig from Luvme Hair, one of my favorite hair companies. So I have a 20-inch wavy U-part wig. It's sewn on a breathable net. So all of this is machine made. It has 3 clips in it, so you clip it to the braids, so you can take this on and off at night. And it also has some elastic bands that you can adjust the size. If it's too big, you can make it a little tighter. So I love U-part wigs and wigs because also great if you don't like closures or frontals. This is easier to do. If you don't like that, I guess, wig look. This is definitely a much more natural look, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with it. Make sure you guys check out Luvme Hair at LuvmeHair.com. When you order a U-part wig, you will also receive a free flat iron with it, so that's like always great. Make sure you guys check out the description box because I'll also leave a promo code to get an extra little discount off your order. Make sure you follow them on Instagram and me on Instagram at Filthy Rich Tresses. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a question or comment. Thank you guys for watching.